guys, so welcome back. We are working through one of our last video directions for transitions for your thesis. So looking at it, you already did your first introduction, your first transition phrase to actually get you started into the whole thesis. Now what you're going to do is you have subtopic 1, subtopic 2, and subtopic 3. Mine are types of guppies, care for guppies, and history of guppies. But to be able to tie those separate ideas together, you need to be able to add transitions to flow. Okay, so again, I've given you some transitions to look at. Are these all transitions? No. They're just some. If you would like to, you can certainly go research more transitions. If you don't like these ones, that is, you're more than welcome to do that, okay? So, we're working on tying these ideas together because you need to group them and move them through the sections. So the thesis is its own section. Okay, it's giving your reader a clue about what it is you are going to be covering in your essay. So, you already know that types of guppies, care for guppies, and history of guppies are what you are going to learn about specifically. Now, I have to pick a transition phrase to move between each of these ideas. Okay, so I can go in here and I'll pick one first. Click in the right box. Make sure you don't type in the blue boxes. That was a goof, and don't do it. Make sure you're always clicked inside that green box. So first, plus, and finally. So those are the ones that I'm picking, okay? Because I want one to go in the beginning, the middle, and the end. Make sure it flows that way, because I'll first be talking about guppies, then I'll be talking how you care, and then last I'll be trying to go over the history of guppies. Then you can come down here and look at your thesis statement. If you notice, you have those transition words have filled in between your idea, your topic, then the subtopic. So I have transition phrases moving you from topics to subtopic to subtopic to subtopic. So if you read it, it says, I would like to introduce my topic, which is about guppies. First type of guppies you can buy, and you're gonna have, this is a rough draft. The first topic, I might say, first topic, the first subtopics we will look at. Remember, change the green boxes if you want to change the white box. Okay, the first subtopic we will look at is types of guppies you can buy in a pet store. Plus, we will talk about how to care for your guppies. Finally, we will discuss we will discuss the history of guppies. Now, the punctuation in here is a little bit off. That's fine, because it's a rough draft. You're just trying to get your ideas down. Okay? So, the first, I have the transition phrases, but I don't actually have anything after that. You may need to add subtopic. We will look at, we will talk about, we will discuss. You will probably need to add those, because then if you don't add those phrases, those pieces, your transitions will sound really kind of odd. So the first topic, I can add that in there, and I will probably add, we will, and I'll probably, some of this between when I actually submit it to you and when you have it, changes. It's something that I always am thinking about. So don't think that it's crazy that what I am videoing maybe looks a little bit different than what you're doing. Some of the words may have changed. That's okay, because it's a working document. Even I need to edit things. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will be around meeting with different people, and I will probably also be adding comments to your rough drafts. So please pay attention to those comments. Thank you, and questions, I'll see you soon.